You can now use ReadSpeaker webReader to read Canvas new quizzes. Let's look at how to do this. Click on your Canvas new quiz. Click Begin. Launch ReadSpeaker webReader by clicking on the speaker on the left-hand side of your screen. Highlight your question and answers, and click Listen.
Out of the list below, which was the first created? Manual typewriter, word processor, electric typewriter, dictation.
We know the answer is manual typewriter. Scroll down to question 2. Repeat the process.
TTS stands for technology to speech. True. False.
We know the answer is false. And now, question 3.
TTS stands for question blank, 1 of 1, to speech.
We type in text. Now that you have completed your quiz, you are ready to submit it. You have seen how easy it is to have your quiz read to you. You will want to try it out.